Welcome back to my channel. Today is 20th of December, and we will analyze first of all US30. So since my previous analyze here, we shared the chart yesterday. I was expecting the price to reach this imbalance level, which is clearly the case. As you can see, the price has broken below yesterday's low, and the price has been trying to cover up this imbalance zone here. So I think the price needs some more uh, selling pressure to complete the entire imbalance on 4 hours, which could be very possible today, or if not, then we might see a further push up from here, from this rejection level, from this area of imbalance. If the price doesn't fill up the imbalance completely, there are possibilities that we can have a leg up today. And apart from that, we have some liquidity zones here in 4 hours. I'll just mark it up for you guys so that you can see this area here. So given the fact that there is a liquidity here below the imbalance, if the price tends to fill up this imbalance, it's very likely that the price will go for liquidity here. The price might go to take the liquidity here in this area, and then with the market condition, we'll see what happens. Maybe we can see any reversal here from here. For example, the price comes and takes the liquidity from here like this. We'll see. I want to see some reversal from here. Maybe I'm not very optimistic about it, but I'm just planning to have an idea in case if we see a reversal. So if we see a reversal from here, the most important zone would be this area, this level here. And then if the price manage to break above this level and sit above this level, then we can go for the swing high, which is this area around here. So this is my picture for US30 in long term, this level. And let's see in the daily chart. Cannot see in the futures, I'll just go in the CFDs to see in the daily chart. In the daily chart, we can see that the price, one moment, let me remove all these markups. We can see the price is in this level of imbalance, which is yet to be filled around this area in the corner, like here. And this here is the swing low. So I think if price, I would like to see a rejection from this price and some consolidation before we move up higher. Maybe something like this, for a couple of days, like this, until it breaks out, it takes out this area of support, of resistance, sorry. So then we can see a leg up higher. For now, my bias would be bearish as long as the price is under this level. And on the flip side, if the price breaches this level of support, then I don't know, maybe the price would target for this low, which is, I mean, not very likely, I would say, because overall if you see the daily time frame, the weekly time frame, the price have been bullish since quite few months, or years, you can say. So I'm not expecting this leg low, but it's market, it can do anything. So we have to be prepared for whatever comes on our way. And that's it. That's it for US30. I think it's very clean. maybe we can see the price taking liquidity at this zone, making a fake breakout towards the downside and then pump up higher. So this is my overall view for US30. All right, let's get back in the futures. So I'll just do the markup once again here. This is my main chart in the weekly time frame, in the daily time frame as well. The price is here in the 4 hours as well. You can see the price is trading above this level of imbalance, which from my understanding the price should fill up this imbalance and take the liquidity zone in from here first. That would be very nice, you know. That way when we get the reversal, we'll be quite sure to get long, or maybe, I mean, not swing entries because I don't swing trade, but overall we can see some good price. I mean, we can see a good trend following from here after we see some kind of consolidation, some kind of break of structure. This the swing high, if the price takes this out, it's very likely that we plan on going to take out another high. So that's my overall analysis on US30. Regarding the trades for today, let's see what we can get from the market, because the price is trying to reject from this level, but still the price is holding. I mean, still the price is bearish. You can see the price here. Look, the price here, it broke this structure, then it went up to take the imbalance, one leg low, and then the same thing, it went up to take the imbalance and another leg low. So it's very likely that the price gets rejected from here and make a new low, so we might get some opportunities for sell. But anyways, let's go in the 30 minutes to see how the market is performing for the traders like us, if we can get some opportunities. In 30 minutes we can see the same thing happening here. The price is bearish, getting some rejection, making a new low. All these things are, you know, it's enough for the buyers. But let's see, let's see. These trend lines, I just don't believe them. Anyway, so we can see as well the price is right now above this level of support. It made a new break of structure to the upside, because if you flip the chart you will get to see the clear price. Look, but let me check if the stream is going well. Let me see. Yeah, everything is fine. So in the flip side of the chart, you can see the price has broken above, I mean broken below for now. So you can see the price has broken on structure here, and here lies the imbalance. Maybe we can see a push up higher. So I'll flip the chart again to the normal settings. So the price is here, yeah, the price is here. So we have some imbalance left to be filled here. So this might provoke the price, to go for some upside liquidity, because you can see the price here, it has left not much but a bit of liquidity here. But let's see in the lower time frame what's going on in the higher time frame. In the 4 hours, still okay, there's no such imbalances left to be filled. In 1 hour, the imbalance from here has been taken out. There's something here which can potentially act as an imbalance. 30 minutes and in 15 minutes as well, there's nothing. So we will be looking for the break above this level. I'll just mark it with 2 pixels so that it's more visible. And in the 5 minutes, let's go in the 5 minutes and see what's going on. In 5 minutes we see this, that there's some imbalance left, but it's not very likely to happen. Price might go push up, I mean push down, because the bias is overall bearish. Whatever goes up here in this area of imbalance would be a selling opportunity. All right, so don't get confused with the market, and don't start buying if the price breaks above this level. Yeah, this level is important indeed, but we need to we need to be cautious because we are on a sell trend, a heavy sell trend. You can see the price has been falling since when. If you look back in the time, the price has been falling since 5th or 6th of 5th of December. So from here the price has been falling and falling and falling. And day before yesterday, after the red decision, the price fell for 1,000 and 400 $500 went crazy. This is crazy. I have seen falls, but this one was crazy. So anyway, so the trade idea for today will be waiting, because today, since it's Friday and the Christmas Eve is coming soon, it's already there on the door, at the door. So the price action is not going to be very impressive. So keep that in mind, because this is a holiday season and we have to be careful, because the volume, the market participants are on holiday, most of them, like the retail traders or big investors, you know. So the market is not going to, I mean, the market is going to underperform in this holiday season. And December, as I say, always has not been very good for trading, December and August. So it's very important to keep these things in the mind. Only you should go for the A class setups. If you have to wait, if you don't find a trade, no pasa nada. That means it's okay, it doesn't matter. So yeah, so if we see any break below this level, I would like to enter for a sell, or if the price reaches this level, I would like to participate for a sell as well. For buy, as long as the price remains under this swing high, I'm not going to enter any buy. I'm not. Or maybe I'll see if the how the market breaks this level here. If the market breaks this level, uh, what to say, man, I'm not very convinced for the buys, but still, we should have both ideas on the table. So if the market breaks above this level, I would like to see the impulse. I would like to see if the market is trying to reject from this level, or because look, if the market breaks above this level, let's say if the market breaks above this level, what do? You have like 50 ticks stop loss. Well, you can, I mean, the range of your take profit is very limited. It's 2 hour, but still it's not bad. So if the market breaks above this level, mm, I would not suggest, I would still not suggest for a buy, because there are some imbalances left in 15-30 minutes. So I would be very careful. I would see the price action. I would see how the market has taken out this level, if there's a good impulse or not. So depending on that, we will see. Regarding the sell, as I told you, I would be interested in selling as long as the price breaks this. No, as soon as the price breaks this level, I would be interested in selling. My potential target would be minimum 2 hour. That would be the complete fulfillment of the imbalance. And you can also, go for 3 or 4 hour potentially, because this is, I mean, this is a valid target if you can, trail your stops carefully. You can go for 4 hour. Well, guys, just give me a moment. Yeah. So so regarding the sell, I would be interested on looking here, the breach of this level. Sorry, just a bit weird to see these lines. Yeah, I would like to see a breach below this level so that I could plan for my sell. So yeah, that would be my trading plan for today on DJ, on Dow Jones US30. Let's go to RT Russell, which has been performing very great this month. I really like the price action, and the price has been respecting the levels very well. I like the price action of Russell. It's a kind of not kind of Dow Jones, but I mean, to some extent, yes. Let's see what's going on in the weekly time frame. In the weekly time frame, let's go to the CFDs, because in the futures the charts are not very well. So in the weekly time frame, it looks really bad. I mean, really bad in the sense like, well, the price has still maintained the upside momentum. The price has maintained the upside momentum, and regarding the sells, I think the price has taken out the structure, but the candle still needs to close. So maybe we see what happens today. In the daily time frame, the price is okay. The price is under this level of support. The price is under that, so I think the price is in a lot of selling pressure, because you can see the price here. This is the last support for today, and if this gets taken out, we can see a clear push down towards this level of imbalance, which is uh, which makes sense. And here lies the liquidity as well. So I think it's a good opportunity for the sellers if it breaks below this level. So I would be interested on seeing that happening. So let's go to the lower time frame. In 4 hours, we see that the price is sitting above this level. The candles are closing the candles are, I mean, we still have 45 minutes for this candle to close. So as long as the price remains under this level of resistance, I would be still looking for sells. Sorry, 1 second. I would be looking for sells, and one in 1 hour we can see the same thing. The scenario is the same. but here lies the imbalance, which has previously pushed the price back down. You can see here it's very clean. The price action in this is very clean, so I might expect the price to reach above this, I mean to fulfill this area of imbalance at the time of NY open possibly. And in the 30 minutes we can see the same thing happening. The price is trying to fill up this imbalance here, and the structure is still maintained. The structure has not been taken out. In 4 hours, in 1 hour, this is also a level that I should mark. In 30 minutes, in 15 minutes as well, you can see, yeah, 5 minutes as well. The price, this is the news candle. We are done with the data for today. Look, the PCE index, core PCE index, it's out. This news is out, and this Michigan consumer sentiment, I don't think it's going to impact a lot. So let's just focus on the trades today without having to worry about the news. Well, we'll just see what time it's coming out at 4. So yeah, we have 30 minutes after the open, so we are good to go. Alright, so here we have the huge imbalance to be taken for any buy side opportunity, this area. So I think I would be interested in, you know, in buying maybe if the price comes below. What the hell is this? Oh, oh sorry, it's the CFD. We just got confused. All right, so let me do the markups again. We still have time. So yeah, the price here is like, this is the daily support level. Daily support level. This is the 4-hour time frame. You can see, and this is the 1 hour. So in 1 hour, what we see that the price has got imbalance here, which has been performing pretty much good. Look, it has pushed the price before, and the price is going to take a fill up the imbalance. So that can that's good. That's a good thing to see. If the price fills up the imbalance, and if we get any confirmation for the sell side, we will try to enter on the sell side. Given the fact that we had news before of the PC index, the price left some imbalance here, or fair value gaps you can say here. So we will wait for the price to come here. Maybe I would be interested in buying, but I would not put any limit orders. I will try to have, I will want to see some, I mean some price action playing here for any signal that would convince me for a buy. I'm not going to put any limit orders in this one. In 5 minutes as well, look, the price has left the imbalance. The price is trying to take out this high here, which is also very important. I'm a bit conflicted in RT today. Let's see what the news did to Dow Jones. The news did the same, not much of a difference, but you can see that the price is holding up here. So I think it's very important for the price to let's say take out this level here for short term. this level has been taken out, we can potentially maybe look for a buy, but I would be very convinced if the price takes this imbalance first before it breaks this high, so in that case, instead of entering here, I could plan my entry here, but for that I would need to see something like this, the price goes there or maybe not, but it takes this imbalance out and then it breaks this level. Then I can put my limit orders here and target up till here. that would be my that would be my trade idea for the buy. For the sell, I would like to even sell below this low, but I will be more careful because this is the daily low candle. I mean, this is the low for today, so I should probably wait for this low to be taken out to get more confirmation and more confidence on the sell. So this is the overall idea. I'm going to markups a bit properly. Look, what I did here was I marked this area, so it's more or less the same. Yep. I would like to see the price to first take this imbalance in order to go up higher. We have 8 minutes for the market to get open. 8 minutes left for the markets. Okay. Wait. Well, so let's see if the price respects this level. So I'm going to use the dual mode so that I can keep track of both of the pairs. Even though I have multiple screens, I like to compare the price in the same chart for Russell and Dow Jones. So what was the markups for Russell? Let me see. Markups for Russell was this. I'm going to copy this. This here is the resistance level here, right here. Resistance level here, and the 5 minutes imbalance lies around this corner. This is the swing low for today. Hold on. This is the potential target if we enter any buy. I think if we manage to enter a buy, we can get a crazy, insane risk to reward trade. So, wait, I'm gonna just make a clear. Look, if we manage to enter this trade, we can scale up really high, but I mean it can happen. But let me see if there's any imbalance left. Oh wow, great. So no, I think this target is not very, I mean it has not much potential because there's 4 hour imbalance yet to be filled, and this zone, of course, this is the area where we need to be careful. This area, we need to break this area first. Here 30 minutes, here you can see some imbalance left. So yeah, if the price sits above this level, let me do the markup again here. If the price sits above this level, we can look for a buy, or if the price comes here, show some potential of buy, we can look for that as well. In 5 minutes, the price, let's see, I'm going to the markups for this. So well, now let's see what's going on with DJ, and that's it. This in aside, we know now we know what we have to do with RT. With Dow Jones, with Dow Jones, let's see in 5 minutes. Yeah, as we planned that in 5 minutes we need to see entirely fulfillment of the imbalance here. So if the price managed to fill up this imbalance here, we can potentially look for a buy above this area, because that way we will be sure that this structure has been taken out. On the other side, for sell, I will be interested if the price falls below this level. So let's see what the market has for us. One minute to go. RT is showing some weakness here. I'll probably wait for a break below this level as well. This high has been respected. So yeah, if RT close below this level, no, not before, I want to see the close after the bank. I would like to sell this area, but let's see. Maybe price would come to take this imbalance. Maybe price to come take this imbalance, very possible. The price is coming to take the imbalance, but I would not be interested in buying. I want to see some clear signs first. Maybe a break above this level. Break and close, I mean. So let's see if the price managed to close above this. Same with RT. Like to have a closure above this level. Stops are very small today. The market has a lot of volume after this news. I'm allowing the price to do its thing, not rushing. Price is respecting this level here. So well, let's see in RT what's going on, what it's trying to do in a bigger picture. 30 minutes. No, no, not a good idea to buy. We need this level to be taken out. I'm going to mark it so that I don't make any mistake. Yep. Okay, this high has been taken out. So I think I should go with Dow Jones today. Not very sure on this one, to be honest. Let's see what's going on in 1 minute. No, I'm not gonna buy yet. This looks valid in 5 minutes, but I think I should wait. I'm not sure about this one. because the target is okay. I mean, if we manage to enter this trade out here, we can potentially scale to 5 hour, but I think I would rather wait to enter above this level so that I at least I'm sure that the price has taken on this level. So I would not enter on this, not on this account for sure. Maybe in the other one I could. This could be a buy, but I'm not interested in this one. Not yet. I think now since the RT is trying to show some bullish potential, I think now I could have, maybe I should have entered. Let me see if I can manage to enter above. It can be a call. Yeah, I think now it gives me some certainty. So let's see how this candle closes, and then we can plan the entry for a buy. This was a valid entry though. Let's see. Let's see the price. I want the price to close above, no matter if I miss on the trade. That's okay with me. I think I missed on this buy. I think that's okay. Yeah, now the price is doing what I wanted to see. So maybe now I can enter here with a stop of 50 ticks. I put the order here, but then I didn't enter. Such a shame. But that's okay. I wanted some confirmation, and now I have it. So if the price managed to come before going to this area, I might as well want to enter. Yeah, I think the trade is valid. I might as well put a bit higher, but that's okay. Did I miss it again or what? I'm not very confident about this trade because I just don't have too much faith on the buy. But seeing this structure break to the upside, I think, yeah, I think I entered the trade. Yeah, let's see. Let's see how it goes. This trade was not really, I mean, aligned to my strategy, but I want to take a chance, maybe.
Order filled.
Hmm. 15 minutes, it doesn't look good, bro. I think I will just move this one to be. I'm not very sure about this trade now. Or what should I do, man? Seriously, it's not. It's not what I wanted to see. I think I will close this trade. I'm out of this trade.
Order filled.
I'm out of this trade. I closed with BE probably. So because 15 minutes it doesn't look good to me. I would rather wait because the price didn't manage to close above this level. So I think whatever happens, if the trade goes back up, I don't care. I just saw that the price action wasn't very good, so I closed the trade on this one. I will wait for another opportunity because this doesn't look right to me. So let's see what other opportunities we have. This trade I'm not very convinced now. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, I think I did the right decision by closing it. Of course, look, now the price has been trying to take the lows. I would rather go for a sell on RT, but there is no sign of there's no sign yet. Let me clear this chart again. I'll do my sell markups. Feeling so cold, man. Seriously. So in this case, I will wait for the break below this level. I can start selling from here as well, but I think I should wait. Hold on, guys. I'm coming back. I did the right choice by not holding that trade because it was already dying. I saw some confluence that was triggering sell off. Look, it took the liquidity from here. It took the imbalance from here clearly. All right, so maybe I will analyze a bit on RT. What happened here? In 15 minutes, the price was very bullish, going back to take the imbalance here. But I'm not going to buy. I'm not going to buy this. Not even this, you know. Maybe it's an opportunity to buy in Dow Jones as well. I'm not gonna buy. I will wait because we have the open sky to get on the buy trade. So if we have a confirmation, we can even enter. We can start buying from anywhere, you know, because we have the huge target. But right now I don't have any confirmation. Let's see what's going on in the 4 hours. 10 minutes left to close. This was a fake breakout, I think. It's a sell for sure. It's a sell. Let me see what happens. think the price is trying to get rejected from the 15 minutes imbalance, but whatever it is, bro. I will wait for my call. All the screen levels assigned here. I will wait for a clear move. Right now, if you see the 30 minutes time frame, you can see the price clearly getting rejected from this level. Yeah, 30 minutes in 1 hour as well, clean. In 4 hour, clean. So we need to, maybe if the price again gets above this level, could possibly mean that it was not a fake out, and we can, we can wait. I mean, we can try to find the buys, but I'm not interested in buying. My bias today is not for buy at all. Nope. Look, it was a bit messy here. Still messed up a little. In 7 minutes, the 4 hour is gonna get close, and then we can have a clear idea if the price is making an engulfing, showing any signs of buy. We can have clear idea then. So it's okay to wait like 5-10 minutes. Nope. RT is following the levels pretty much. It does always. RT has a level around here for the imbalance and the liquidity above. So RT could have been a possibly good option for buy, but I'm not going to change the plan. My narrative is very simple. I want to see the levels taken out. So well, now I think I have some plans on entry on a sell. I would like the price to break below this level. If it does, I will not think twice before selling. So I will have a plan set up like this. Damn bro, today we don't have a good stop loss. The market has a huge impulse today, like the volume is really high. Not the impulse, sorry, the volume is too much in the trades. Look from the both sides. Look at the candles, man. One candle more than 60 70 ticks. So let's see what's going on with RT in 3 minutes. RT in 3 minutes. It looks buy. RT looks very bullish. Dow Jones not sure. Dow Jones only about this level. So we gotta wait. So the 4 hours has shown a rejection here, even though it was bullish. um, the price failed to close above the previous two candles, so that's a good sign that it's not bullish. So in this case, I mean in RT, I think the price is bullish for now in short term, but as long as the price is under this area, it's still bearish. So RT was a good opportunity to buy when it broke, when it showed some impulse here, but again we didn't have a good setup since there was the huge imbalance left here which wasn't fulfilled, the huge imbalance here, the fair value gaps not fulfilled. So I would wait for any clear direction, because if you see in 15 minutes there is an imbalance here left on RT, so it might as well go up to take the imbalance and show some signs of rejection in this area, so that we can look for a sell. Since the price broke this level, I would have been interested on buying in this level here, but the price didn't come to my assigned point of interest, and also my stops were very small, so I don't think I would have entered buy there. Let's see what's going on in DJ. DJ is still consolidating. It's not able to decide where it has to go. So we'll wait patiently for the price to show us something which might be in our favor. I'm hoping. I think DJ could be a good sell opportunity here, because today it's respecting the price, the levels of the price. Look, it didn't make the high, it didn't didn't take the high, didn't take out the high here or here. It's too far, so I think it's still okay to look for a sell here in this one. I will wait for the price show us something that could convince for a sell. Too good, too good, too good. All right. I will wait for the price to close below. Watching very carefully. It's falling still buy. 10 minutes, let's see. Volume is still buy. As well, 30 minutes as well. Well, if it has to go up, we look for the buy opportunities. No problem. This trade out here was good. Quick to more 2 point at almost 3 hour. But I was a bit worried about this level here because the price only at that time the price only broke this area, not this level. So I wanted to see a break above this level, but in 3 minutes what's going on. Russell trying to break but getting rejected from that level that we marked. I'm very optimistic about the sell today. Also, if RT decides to break the level, break this area of consolidation after getting rejected from this area of resistance, I would try to look for a sell as well on RT without a problem. Well, the stops are not very good though, because RT has got more potential for the sell side because it has got levels to be filled. The only problem today with the price, that the price has got a lot of volume. All the candles you see, they're like $60, $80, $100, 100 ticks, I mean. Well, that's the same thing. These as well. Stops are not safe. I would not like to enter today because my stops are not safe. It doesn't look safe to me at all. Okay, so now I think we are okay with uh, Russell or maybe Dow as well, because Dow, as you can see, the Dow has also broken the level of consolidation, but I need a candle closure below this level so that I get more sure of this trade. Need a clear break below so that we could plan a sell here. The TP with the SL in 50 ticks. TP may be this 133 because here some liquidity. Look, price has left some liquidity zones here. So let's see if the price breaks below. Good for us. Otherwise, I don't know. Oopsies, daisies. Look what's going on. this is the target for Dow Jones to fill up the imbalance. Feels like buying here. I think I should leave it for next week. I think probably this week is my last trading week. I'll see my journal. Probably, sorry. Probably this week is going to be my last trading week. It's December. This time of December is it's just a bit of mess with price action. this is probably the last area where I can expect the price to get rejected. If this if this area is not respected, then be I would be convinced that the price is going to take another high from before this area here, which can cause a good upside momentum technically. But I'll wait, not taking any trades yet. I like the consolidation in RT. I like the consolidation area in this muscle because the more it consolidate, and if in the end it breaks either way, that would be more concrete. Let's see how this candle closes. So I'll be planning on entering long on RT. Let's see what's there in the lower time frame. It's a pretty good entry if the price close above this area. We still have 3 minutes 27 seconds to close, so we wait and see how the price gets closed. So I think now Dow Jones has changed its bias for short term, reaching trying to reach this area of the resistance. So this liquidity has been this imbalance has been taken out, so now it's invalid. In 15 minutes, see what's going on. All right. Like to enter a buy on RT. Okay, I'm gonna enter on RT, right? As you can see that I've placed the trade here on RT. Let's see what happens. I have the stops with 55 ticks, and my target would potentially be 3R today because the imbalance is there. 3R only if the price comes to take my trade. Oof. Not a good price action today. Too bullish. Too much volume today. Wow, crazy. Crazy, crazy. Very impressive today. Both of the indexes, Dow Jones and RT. Well, I placed the trade on buy, but I wasn't sure of that, so I closed it. But that's fine. I saved one stop. Crazy, crazy. Today is crazy. Almost 152 ticks. Gonna remove this order. Remove this order because the price, if it comes back, I'm not very sure about this price because it's coming from the imbalance zone here, 50%. So I would not be risking it. My stops are not very safe as well. So I think that's it. I think today I didn't get any opportunity, or probably today isn't my day. I took a trade on buy, then I closed it, but that's okay because the price, look, the bias was clearly sell because you see the price has been falling, falling, falling. But the news that came out today at 2:30, it it made the market participants in a bullish bias. So that's why we saw this candle here, and then in the opening this candle out here. It would have been good with RT if the price came to this level. I would have liked to enter, but look, the same thing didn't happen with Dow Jones. If this 15 minutes candle closed above this area, I would have waited for the price to come here and take a buy entry. But this got rejected, so I was like, no, I don't think it's a good idea for that. So the market has been a bit manipulative for me, which happens every once in a while. Hmm. Even the 1 minute candles are, look, 1 minute candles are more than 50 ticks. Today it's not a good day to trade. No wonder I couldn't find a good entry because my stops were not safe. In this case, the same thing happened. My stops were not safe. Even though if I put like 60 ticks, it wasn't safe enough. Look, 65, 70 ticks. So the market has got a lot. The market has got a lot of volume today. Even you can see it like in 1 minute candles. You can see, look, price where it's consolidating. Look at the 1 minute candles. More than of 70 ticks. These kind of situations, I just prefer to stay out of the market. Couldn't. I cannot afford to use a bigger stop loss because that's against my trading plan. I use a very simple concept of stop loss when it comes to trading. I just use 50 ticks on almost every pair, like RT and Dow Jones especially. In oil, I like to use 25 ticks. Oh, didn't look at oil today. Oof. Nice. I could possibly look for an entry in oil maybe. Let me see how this candle closes. And if my stops are safe, I will probably enter on oil. Oh, yeah, definitely. I think I should enter on oil. So I'll wait for this candle to close in a while, and looks like a good setup to me. Same in this one. Yep. Trade some. Price is under the resistance zone. Yeah, I think I could possibly look for a sell setup for in oil because it might work. It should work, and my stops will be like very small, 10 ticks, depending on this candle. I'm gonna enter. So yeah, I placed my trade on oil. Let's see what happens. Stops is very limited, then I would maybe do 12 ticks, which is still okay. Let's go back to RT, YM, Dow Jones, see what's going on. Or maybe I could just enter now, like here, 15 ticks stops, 14 ticks, not bad.
Order filled.
Alright, order filled on the trade on oil. Oof. Dude, just give me a break. I didn't take my order. Very bad. Okay, order has been filled. Let's see where it takes us. My target would be potentially let me see. Siri, no. Yep. I think it would be 347 ticks. If I do the typical stop loss, it's going to be 2 hour. So yeah, this trade is not bad either. My stops are really safe. I mean really small, so I'm not worried too much about this one. So let's see how it goes. I'm also watching RT and Dow Jones on the other side. There's still Dow Jones is still consolidating. RT, there's no sign of sell yet. I'm gonna minimize the risk. so far. And Dow Jones is shooting up. Problem with oil is that it moves very slow. The dip movement is very slow. So you need a lot of patience with this asset. Unlike Russell and Dow Jones, this moves really slow. I like the movement of Dow Jones especially. And RT as well. I mean, RT also moves pretty much like Dow Jones, but I prefer more Dow Jones. Hmm. What's happening here? Oops. What's going on, man? Probably came to fill up the balance in the 5 minutes. 25. This is my ideal stop loss for oil. So let's see. Let's see. 3 minutes too. I might as well close this one as well. Hmm? Hello? Are you kidding me? Well, not good. This 5 minute candle here is not good. So I will try to exit this trade as soon as I get to. Because this 5 minutes it doesn't look good to me. Oops. Oops. Dow Jones Russell has reached the level of imbalance, so maybe we can see something, some good rejection. Dow Jones is not stopping. Russell is okay. Let me see what I did on this stupid oil. I mean, not a bad trade to be honest. Let me see in the 1 hour. Let's see what's happening. Let me see what I'm risking right now. So in 1 hour, the price is below this resistance level, which is okay. 30 minutes, still fine. 15 as well. Maybe this equal low has acted as a double bottom or whatever it's called. It's pushing the price back up for the liquidity here. If the price capitalizes above this, then I think we will be in a reversal. I mean, it happened too soon. I was expecting a bit of consolidation, which was most likely, but let's see. I'm gonna put the trade of oil to break even, just in case, because I don't like this as well. Okay, let's see Dow Jones now. Dude, come back and close this shit. I'm gonna close this one, bro. I'm tired of this stupid behavior of oil.
Order filled.
Well, guys, I think I'm done for today. I didn't have any valid entries today. Mostly I did close on break even. Both of my trades on Dow Jones as well, and this oil. Well, if now it falls, I'm gonna. Doesn't matter. Today is Friday, so fuck it. So, guys, as you can see, the price is trying to reverse. I was expecting some consolidation here before any further reversals or change of the trend, but that's it. That's how it is. So in 1 hour, you can see in 4 hours the price. If the price close above this level in 4 hours, then we are confirmed that we will target on Monday. If I trade, I'm not sure if I'll trade. We can target here, this area, if we manage to close above this level of resistance, and RT is the same. I think RT already has shown good momentum in the previous 4 hours, because if you compare RT to Dow Jones, the previous 4 hours was not very, you know, very authentic for any upside, confirmation. You can see the price closed below this level and below this previous candle. So the sudden impulse of the bullish momentum happened after 30 minutes after NY open, which was pretty, not very likely. I was expecting this movement, this candle to close above this area for any further bullish momentum before 4 p.m., because that would have given us some confirmation regarding the bulls, because I was too much convinced for the sell side, and it makes sense because the price has been bearish. So anyway, market does it things, and we just have to keep finding our ways out. So I will just end the call here. I'll end my stream here and wish you guys a happy weekend. See you next week.